Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I want to share with you my haul, which is the last haul for 12/31 for December 31st, 2017. And everything was free and $1.99 moneymaker. So let's get started. The first transaction I used was for my card 5922, and I received an email saying that I will get 5 off if I spend 25 or more. And with those P&G deals, it was not hard to reach $25. So this is what I did. You do need to reach $30 in order for you to get the $10 ECB. So I purchased 3 of the Tampax Pearl. 3 of them will be $11.97. I purchased 2 of the Tide, which is for $4.94, which that was a $9.88 total. Then I purchased 3 of the Crest, making that a total of $8.97. So I already reached my $30. I used 5 of the P&G that are for $2 for the Crest and the Tide. And then 3 of the P&G for the Tampax Pearl. But for this card, I had a coupon from CVS deducting $1.50 for any CVS, for any pad or liner. So I'll use that too. I paid $16.32. I got $10 ECB, making this $6.32 or 79 cents for each item. Since I wanted to reach $35, I also purchased 2 of the Nivea, the body wash, for $2.99, making that a $5.98. I used the coupon that expired 12/31, which deducted $4, but I also had a CVS coupon deducting 2 off any body wash, so my total price was free for those 2 items. When I scanned this card, it gave me $6 ECB just for beauty rewards. So that's just like $6 free dollars. My total before coupons was $55.40, but the coupons I used was $45.10, and I got $10 ECB, making this for everything you saw my transaction one just 30 cents. But if I include that I used that $6 ECB, this would have been a moneymaker. This is the card that I used the most, and I was very surprised that I didn't receive any emails with special deals, discounts at all. So in this one, everything you see was just using the coupons that we received for transaction 2. This item is a moneymaker, and if you didn't have the printable, when I went to check my account for the CVS app, this coupon was still available, so you could actually select it if you didn't get a chance to print it. The deal is very easy. If you just buy 1 for $2.99, you use one of those printable or the CVS app if it's still available in your app, and you pay $1.49, but you're going to get $2 CCB, making this free and 51 cents moneymaker. The other item is also the same way. You could just select this coupon from your app and it will send it to your card. This one gave me no problem, so I purchased 1 of the Arm & Hammer Truly Radiant toothpaste. I paid $3.99, but it deducted $3.99, and this item was free. The reason why I did this transaction, since I had no special coupon, was because I did receive a $6 ECB for beauty, and I also had a few ECBs that were going to expire, so this deal was perfect. So I purchased 4 of the Eucerin lotion for $5.79, making it $23.16. So if you spend $20, you will get $10 ECB. I used 4 of those coupons that I believe expired 12/31. And I also had a $2 CVS on any lotion. So I paid $13.16. I got $10 back, making this just $3.16. If I include the 6 beauty reward that I received, this will be a money maker, but I didn't include it on my total. So the total before coupons was $34.44. The coupons used was $19.79, and the ECBs I got back was $12, making this just $2.65. For my third transaction, my email that I received was different. It was 30% off my total price. So I just purchased a few items. Plus, I also wanted to use some of those ECBs that were about to expire today. And this is what I did. I did the Arm & Hammer deal. It was very easy. You just select that from your app, your CVS app. And one of the best ways for me to do it is I go online on the computer and sign in and select it. And it goes straight to my card when I scan it. And it deducted, which gave me no problems in the register, making that free. Another item I purchased was the Revlon. It was $4.99 because I got a coupon from CVS deducting $4, and I got a coupon for L'Oreal giving me 40% off So I purchased a lipstick that cost $9.99, so I was able to reach my $15. I used those 2 coupons that I got from CVS. I paid $6.98. I got 6 back for spending $15, making this 98 cents or 33 cents for each item. The other item I did was a Purex, which is a Moneymaker. And also this one I saw was still in my card. So I paid $1.49 after the coupon. I got 2 ECBs. This was free and 51 cents Moneymaker. So the total for my trip was $31.55. Coupons used was $24.55, and ECBs that I got back was 10, making this $3 Moneymaker. But I also got 6 ECBs on beauty for this card as well. This is my 4th and last transaction. I also got an email saying that it will deduct 5 if I spend 25 or more. So this is what I did. I purchased a Revlon lipstick for $9.79, and I got a CVS coupon deducting $4. I also purchased the Rimmel Eyes, that is the liner, for $5.79, and I used a $3 printable coupon that it was still available. And for that I paid $8.58 after deducting those coupons, getting a $6 ECB. My total was $2.58 or $1.29 each. I also did the Purex deal. I purchased one for $2.99. This one I did give a printable coupon deducting $1.50. I paid $1.49, but I got a $2 ECB, making this free and 51 cents Moneymaker. I also did the Arm & Hammer deal. That was very easy to send to my card. So I paid $3.99, but it deducted automatically $3.99, making this free. And in addition, I did the Scope mouthwash deal, which is on special for $3.99. I used the coupon that came out. They came on the P&G this Sunday. So I paid $2.99, but I got $2 back. 2 ECB back, making this just 99 cents. My total for my last transaction was $32.15. The total is the regular price, not the special price. With the coupons used was $24.09, and the ECBs that I got was $10, making this free and $1.94 Moneymaker. I'm sharing with you all my coupons transactions. These were pretty easy, and most of them were coupons that came on this Sunday, and some of them you didn't even have to have a coupon, just select it on your app. But also it is very rewarding to buy items, especially cosmetics and beauty items in CVS. If I include all of the beauty ECBs that I was able to use in this transaction that I just got when I scanned my card, it was $24 worth. So if I could save, because I used those to pay, I didn't pay much out of pocket, my total would have been $26 Moneymaker, because that's items that we're getting back free for purchasing beauty items. But I'm not including that. It's just to let you know that it is worth getting items, especially beauty items, in CVS. As you can see, my total before coupons was $153.54 with the coupons used, all those deductions plus the ECBs I got back. On every of those transactions, my total was totally free. This whole was free and $1.99 Moneymaker. So I hope this video was very helpful. I hope that you have some happy savings. There was many other deals that I wanted to do, but some of them were not. Some of those items were not in my store, so I hope I'm able to do them this week. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. You could see that with couponing and planning, you could pay so little or just get some free items. So thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't done so, you can subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more deals. And until the next video, bye.